Hi everybody, Tom here from Legal Growth. I wanted to record a quick video today just to talk to you about how law firms could be and should be using video content, and specifically how this is going to help them to stand out. So ultimately, if you think about local competition, I don't see competition, I see collaboration opportunities. But if we think about what a consumer sees, they're looking at different alternatives to help them solve a legal problem. And one of the ways that they see things is in a saturated market, who can they choose? One of the things that can help you stand out is video-based content. So think of it at the minute like this. Less than 25% of law firms are using video content to market their services. And with a rise in platforms like TikTok and YouTube, there's an opportunity here to get your content seen, to build position of authority marketing, and then to generate additional business. When we think about YouTube, YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the planet after Google. So therefore, having video-based content on the platform that answers questions that your clients or prospects might be having is a great way to build that position of authority. If we don't do it, what might happen? You've heard the term adapt or die. Ultimately, the theory behind evolution is that if we don't adapt, we'll just be overtaken by our competition, we'll be consumed, so to speak. Now, if you think about how people consume content online, video makes up the majority of that these days. And like I say, with the rise of platforms like TikTok and the utilization of features within YouTube like YouTube Shorts, video content is ever more important. So why should we use video-based content? We're giving you an example now. Number one, it helps us to convey a message quickly and efficiently. It helps you to see the person that you're dealing with and therefore build an emotional connection with that person or firm. And the way that things are going, people are going to consume more and more video content. So therefore you ought to be considering how you can start to implement that to stand out in a crowded legal marketplace. So how can you use video content to stand out in a crowded marketplace? Well, first and foremost, building that emotional connection can be done through visual storytelling. So start to tell stories, use social proof to talk about how you've had clients who have been through the process with you, the problem that you've solved for them, and then people will be able to relate to that. It creates that emotional connection as we've discussed. It also enables you to do visual branding. So at the start of a video, at the end of a video, you might choose to include a really short intro and outro where your logo just pops up, and it's one of those touches that people might need to know, like, and trust your brand. Hopefully that's been an interesting and engaging idea for you to start to utilize video-based content within your marketing. If you've got any questions about video content, we've got people here at Legal Growth that will be able to support you and help you on that journey to creating exciting and engaging content. If you've got any questions about how you might create a strategy around video content, again, either hit us up with questions in the comments below or reach out to us and we'll do our best to support.